dapat. Nakatulog maaga siya kasi pagod mag-piano playing. Ayan na. Maiyak na naman yan. Ano kaya kaya mo? I'm eating the black sunflower, Ma'am Sipe. Because they said if you eat the sunflower before you sleep, they give you the best big brain. They clean your brain, then they clean your heart, they clean your whole body. Then tomorrow you're very hungry. Watermelon seed yan. No, this is a sunflower. You can see that this sunflower is not water